not little complicated, she's very complicated. She
Yeah.
is unlike anything I have ever played before. She is unlike anyone I have met or heard of or seen in real life. I will not fall back into a similar pattern again, because the most exciting part of what I do as an actor is to become different people. I'm not a method actor.
Okay.
I don't have a pattern. I don't have a rule book. I don't even have an instruction booklet. I go with my gut and my instinct. I never knew what else to do, but there was a time till when it used to bother me. I was at peace with myself, understanding that the kind of work I want to do is very special and it will come occasionally. So I will wait.
Thank you so much for being a part of Human. The amount of authenticity and trust that you bring with your craft with every project allows content lovers like me to believe and understand what we see. So, Shefali ma'am, a huge welcome to E Times, and we are so happy to have you joining with us today.
Thank you. Thank you, Aditi.
So, speaking of Human, every single detail has been crafted so well in it that it would engage audiences throughout the show. How has the response been so far? What are people telling you?
God, what is this? And when I saw the trailer, I had goosebumps. Even though I'm a part of it, even though I've swallowed the entire script and the character and all the characters, it was like, whoa, it
Exactly.
really hit you. It hit you hard.
So, there are a million emotions screaming inside your character, Gauri Nath. She's bold, brave, but a little complicated and unpredictable, as you said earlier. So, what was it about her that attracted you the most?
Well, like you said, she's not little complicated, she's very complicated.
Okay.
She is unlike anything I have ever played before. She is unlike anyone I have met or heard of or seen in real life. She's in this I got stuck again on this word. I can't believe it. In the last interview, I got stuck on the same word. I think I've said it so many times now. She's extremely unpredictable. It's very difficult to understand her. In spite of doing it, in spite of playing her, in spite of living her, I still haven't been able to wrap my head around. And she surprised me every minute. She did.
So, as an actor, how did you find the balance between all those emotions and create Gauri the way we see her?
In certain characters, you never seem to find the balance. You just go with it.
Okay.
You stay authentic to the character. You become the character, which is what my journey as an actor, the aim of my journey always for every character is that I become the character. I find it more complimenting when people say, oh my God, Vartika Chaturvedi, or Manju from Juice, or Neelam Mehra, or Tara Shetty were amazing, or who were they, rather than saying Shefali did a good job.
True.
As XYZ. But there is no pattern to Gauri.
Yeah.
Of course, I know her trajectory. I know where she comes from. I know her past plays a huge part in who she's become.
True.
But at the same time, there is no pattern to her. There is no, you cannot decipher her. It's not possible.
True. So, ma'am, you've been around in the industry for 2 decades now, and you had earlier shared that every time you walk into a set, you're never assured of your craft. So, what was your creative process in approaching Gauri? Was it a similar situation during the sets?
It's always like that. Always. I'm unsure of myself. I'm unsure of what I will do when the director says action. I don't know whether I will be able to deliver. I am extremely scared, nervous, and anxious whenever I go on to set. Well, as I said, there was a lot of work in terms of discussions, healthy arguments, disagreements, conversations about who she is, about every line. And then I started creating her in my mind. So one is you have amazing material to work on, and then you start creating this person. And the directors agreed with the part I was taking. So, what is very interesting is that she was written in a certain way. And if I had played her that way, I know I would have a safe home run.
Yeah.
But I said, you know what, after reading it a couple of times, etc., I met the directors and I said, listen, I have a very different approach of playing her.
Okay.
And they agreed with it. Now, whether it works or no is for us to see. I don't know. It's a risk I've taken. It's a challenge I've taken. But I did it because it was exciting as an actor for me.
So, you know, the series mirrors the reality of drug trials, medical malpractice, the class divide, and the challenges and terrors that come with it. So, do you think a show like Human would encourage the right conversation, especially among the aspiring medical science students?
Absolutely, it would. It would. Would it change the world? I think that's a very high responsibility to put on any kind of show.
True.
Or film. But you're absolutely right. It will start conversations.
You have earlier shared Juice, A Monsoon Wedding, and Delhi Crime broke that notion of you being typecast to play mothers, because now the amount and the type of characters you're portraying, you have been a revelation. So now, is there a fear of falling back into a similar pit again?
I will not fall back into the similar pattern again, because the most exciting part of what I do as an actor is to become different people.
True.
And I get bored very easily. So if I'm getting bored, even with myself, I'm not going to do it.
So, you know, while OTT has allowed you to have a newfound audience, and especially Gen Z, with your stellar performances, people have so much expectations with every film or series that you star in. So, you know, what's the best way to deal with that pressure today?
I just say, please don't expect anything out of me.
Oh, God.
Really. I became the character. Whether you like her, you don't like her, you hate her, you dislike her, I know I was honest to her. Okay. And I also know that everyone has a right to react to a character or any form of art, a film, a show, a painting, a book. Everyone's going to have varied reactions. It's subjective.
Yeah.
So I cannot please everyone.
True.
I cannot, but I can be honest. And
I think that is,
choose to be.
yeah, because that is what reflects in every piece of yours. I'm a huge fan of your work.
Thank you.
Rich canvas of art films, indie cinema, content-driven and commercial projects, one can say you are truly a method actor. So, you know, is OTT the platform for method actors, because many of your peers with similar sensibilities like you are thriving on this medium?
Aditi, first, I'm not a method actor.
Okay.
I don't have a pattern. I don't have a rule book. I don't even have an instruction booklet. I go with my gut and my instinct.
Okay.
I really go with my gut and my instinct. But yes, OTT has opened horizons for every creative person, because there is so much to explore, and you have the freedom of experimenting and expressing, and it's not determined by box office collections or by star status or of the requirements of commercial film. Every character is a hero or a heroine in their own space. It's content driven. So, and what are we competing against? We're competing against international work.
True.
Because when a show drops on OTT, it drops in so many countries at one go. And there is such rich material that has been put out there that you're pushed to delivering your best. So it's a boon. It's really a boon.
So, you know, during our previous conversation, you had shared that there was a time you kept saying no to work because it was so unfair being typecast. So did that phase make you rethink your career at that point of time?
Well, I never knew what else to do, but there was a time till when it used to bother me.
Okay.
Then I was at peace with myself, understanding that the kind of work I want to do is very special and it will come occasionally. So I will wait. And I was comfortable in that space.
Okay.
And I waited, and I'm glad I did. I could have gone to work every day.
Yeah.
I could have picked roles in successful films or commercial films just to make sure that I was working and making money, etc., or being popular. But I said, you know what? I'll wait.
And I think that has
paid off.
turned out to be great for you.
Yes.
So now that you have made a significant mark of yourself in this industry, are there challenges in reinventing yourself as an actor and yet keep your originality intact?
Every time. And it starts with the roles I pick.
Mhm.
It starts with the scripts. It starts with the directors. You know, there is always something new.
True.
And the fact that I genuinely believe that I do not know everything.
Huh.
Every day I am learning. So when somebody says, please give acting tips, I'm like, are you serious? I'm still learning.
Okay.
You know? So I think that works for me. The unsurety of myself for myself works for me. It pushes me. And I'm like, I'm going to take that chance.
Yeah.
It may work, it may not work, but at least I don't want to be stagnant. It's boring.
Yeah, exactly. So thank you so much, ma'am, for doing this with me. I had a great time chatting with you. And
Thank
I
you.
really look forward to more conversation. And I'm actually looking forward to Human.